How long foundation repair takes can really vary, like from a few days to several weeks depending on how bad the damage is and the method they gotta use. So, here's the deal. If you're dealing with foundation repair, the first thing is knowing that it's not always a quick fix, you know? Minor cracks might get patched up in just a few days, but bigger issues like settling or bowing walls could mean your place is under construction for weeks. You want to make sure the contractor does a full inspection first so they know exactly what's up. Also, weather can mess with timelines. Like rain or cold can slow stuff down. If they're using methods like piering or slabjacking, that usually takes longer than just sealing cracks. Always ask for a clear timeline up front and check if permits are needed, because that can add days or even weeks too. Keep in mind, rushing foundation repairs isn't smart, because it's all about making sure your home stays safe and stable for years. And hey, if you get a chance, try to stay flexible with your schedule since unexpected issues pop up sometimes. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair timing is assuming it'll be done super fast, tucking. This leads to frustration when the project drags on. To fix that, get detailed estimates and timelines from contractors before starting. Another common problem is picking the cheapest option without checking quality, which can cause repairs to fail or need redo within months. Always prioritize experienced pros and good materials. Lastly, ignoring early signs of foundation trouble often means the repair takes longer and costs way more. So don't wait to call someone if you spot cracks or doors sticking. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who actually know their stuff without all the hassle. For contractors, it's a cool way to get reliable jobs and build a solid reputation in their area.